Oh, what's up guys? Welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ayan and we are covering episode 9. In this episode, we shall cover how you reset your Autocad from default, and also it helps you to get back your missing tool palettes. Let's jump into the tutorial. Here we are in Autocad and everything is messed up. White background, no ribbon, no command line, and everything is messed up. In this episode now, we shall cover method 3 and it will mark the end of our 3 methods. So in this episode, for this method, we are going to close our Autocad. It is the first step. We shall have no changes. Now, when you close it, if you have more than 2 versions of Autocad, please note which version are you working with. We are working with Autocad 21, not this Autocad. There are some 2 other Autocads here. So we are interested in Autocad 2021. So our first step, go to Windows and write Autocad. We have Autocad architecture popping. We need Autocad. This one, Autocad 2021. Click to that arrow and right click. Then you can go to open file location and it gives you this file path. Now down here we have reset settings to default. Click onto that. It is a shortcut. You can go ahead to find the destiny, but this is enough. Then we can run it as an administrator. Then it will tell you, do you want to allow this app make changes to your drive, to your device? The answer is yes. Now, when this window comes, our concern is to reset custom settings, and it will tell you the original Autocad has been your English version, and we shall reset it successfully. So we say okay. Then this will run for some few seconds. Then Autocad will open. And once it opens, you start drawing, and everything now is right and clear. So you can go ahead to modify whatever you need changes. Your ribbon is there, your status bar on, command line, this tube, the navigator or navigation, the model space and layouts, everything. The model space with its original setting, everything is now to default. Consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please share this video if you find the content important, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notifications as soon as we post new content. And our last message is about this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.